Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you, and it is Friday, March the 15th. Hopefully, you're all having a great Friday. And this is a recap on how the trading went today. Let's dive right in. So, first, we'll cover this account here that we were streaming on. And it was okay, but could have been a better day. We were up on this account by, I think it was close to $150 that we were in profit. And then we took a trade right here. I did something I hate. Sorry, I am showing you guys the wrong screen. Just pretend like you didn't see that screen, can you? Please, just pretend you didn't see it. You were supposed to be seeing this screen. We'll get to the other screen in a second. All right. But here, right here, I did something I hate when I do it. And I chased a breakout and I paid the price for it. It's kind of one of those things where it seems like every couple weeks I do it just to remind myself it's a bad idea. Especially chasing a breakout when we're in a downtrend. Just terrible, but ended up taking the loss. And I did scalp my way back to only an $88 loss for the day. I think when I ended stream, we were like $170 loss. So I made a little bit of it back off stream, but not all of it. But it's okay. This account is still $1,000 in profit. This is one of the accounts that we've taken a payout from, and we're just trying to build up that cushion again. Okay, now let's move to the other accounts. Okay, first, let's just get the elephant in the room. Let's get that out of the way. This account here, yes, it's gone. I blew that account last night. Basically, did an overnight session. I put in an order, and I had a pretty big profit target on it. I was basically trying to recover the account. If you remember, go yesterday's video. Basically, we had like $1,500 of drawdown left. And took a trade, entered a trade overnight, and had like a $650 profit target on it. And basically just trying to recover the account. I knew if I could get like a $650 profit target on it today, Monday, Tuesday, there's a chance I can kind of still get a payout on that account this pay period. Got a little bit too aggressive. It's okay. I was okay losing the account, to be quite honest. It's not a big deal to me anyway. So anyway, that's all there is for that. Now let's focus on the good part. So we have all of these accounts are in the profit threshold. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will be requesting a payout on all 8 of these accounts. I'll probably be doing that tonight. At least some point this weekend. Hopefully we'll get approved. Hopefully we'll get approved quickly. And basically what we're looking at then, we are going to have 15 accounts that have about $500 of drawdown left, except for this one account. This account right here has $900 in drawdown left, which is great. But we're basically going to have, we're going to have some low drawdown. I know I'm going to lose some accounts, but basically I'm actually excited to trade these starting next week to see how many of these accounts we can salvage and maybe get to another payout. That is the goal. And yeah, just see again, we've already taken our payout, and if we lose the accounts, it's not a huge deal. Obviously, I would prefer that we get these accounts to another payout. So we're definitely going to try really hard. But I knew taking out the full $2,000, it's going to put us in a difficult position. I'm okay with that. I wanted to get myself paid, and that's what we did. Excuse me. I'm still struggling with a cough. But anyway, that pretty much wraps it up. This is my TradeZella. You can see this red is from yesterday because the trade where we blew the account was actually last night. So it goes into yesterday's P&L. But really, this is kind of an end of the road, because if you guys remember, I don't even remember what month. I should go back and look, but I would guess around 3 months ago or 4 months ago, we started this journey, and we started off really, really taking it slow. And we had 19 accounts. At the time, we had 19 50K accounts. And then if you guys remember, we had one 150K account, and we were trading the 150K account live on stream, and we were trying to get that 150K account to a payout. And we actually were really close a couple times, but we just never did get there. And then once the 150K PA accounts were gone, we switched to basically in the middle of January is kind of when I took a different approach to these 50K accounts. And in the middle of January, I switched to trading only one account at a time, being more aggressive, having a bigger stop loss, and focusing a little bit more on a scalping strategy. So that's really when things turned around. And when we started, we had 19 accounts. And I remember when we had 19 accounts, I knew I knew I was going to lose some accounts. But to be quite honest, if someone would have told me then that we're only going to lose 4 accounts, I would have been stoked. I would have been ecstatic with knowing that, hey, we're going to get a 30K payout from these accounts. That is just super exciting for me. And sometimes it still doesn't quite seem real. And I don't know, it just seems weird, if that makes any sense. I have struggled with getting to a payout for so long, those that have followed me, that it almost doesn't seem real now that we've achieved it. And now we have the 30K payout for the month. The first pay period for March, we took out a 14K payout. And now the second pay period here, we're going to request a payout of 16K. So we're going to have a 30K payout in the month of March, which is just crazy to me. And I don't know, I'm just super excited. And I just want to say thank you to you guys for sticking it out, I guess, and following me along on this journey. It really has made it a better experience. And honestly, I'm not sure I would have stuck it out if it wouldn't have been for you guys. So thanks for sticking it out with me. There's a lot more ahead, and I'm excited for what's ahead. Obviously, the goal is going to be to continue to get payouts. But at the same time, I also want to just remember to take it slow. There's no rush. I don't need to get 30K payout every month, so I don't want to rush things and start to become reckless. I just want to continue doing what I have been doing and taking it kind of slow, but still being aggressive enough, and just see what happens. Obviously, we're going to have plenty of learning curves ahead of us. I am far from being, I don't consider myself really a successful trader yet. In a weird, that sounds maybe kind of weird, but I feel like I still have a lot to learn, and I still make mistakes. Made a mistake today. I made a mistake last night. So lots of stuff that I can still learn from. So, but I am super excited. So thanks again, everyone. I can't wait to submit these for a payout, get approved, and I'm excited for next week in just trading these accounts with very little drawdown. I'm going to take it as a challenge. So we'll see how it goes. But that's it. Thanks, everyone, for tuning in. Appreciate every one of you. And we will be back Monday morning. Take care. Have a great weekend. And God bless.